Okay, I'm inside my room at the most popular hotel in Punta Cana. Punta Cana's #1 property, the Hard Rock. This place is trendy, it's swanky, it's cool, it's chic, it's modern, it's upscale, and it's so much fun. For those reasons, it is the #1 hotel in Punta Cana, and also for those reasons, it is quite expensive. That is why I booked the cheapest room available on property, the Caribbean Diamond Classic. Let's check it out. I want to start with the bathroom. That's the first thing we see when we enter the room. And I must say, initially, this room is pretty luxurious. Hard Rocks are typically not known for their luxury. Typically, luxury takes a backseat to all the things I just mentioned. But after coming from Secrets, just coming from Secrets, which is one of the best hotels in all of Punta Cana, this place is pretty nice. So right away in the bathroom, we are met with a dual vanity, split vanity with huge mirrors. These mirrors go all the way to the ceiling. We are using Sweetgrass products. I have never seen Sweetgrass products before. I'm looking forward to testing those out. And my favorite part of this entire vanity setup are these external sinks. These are so trick. If you need more space for your products, you have a shelf cubby right here. And if you need more space beyond that, you have a dedicated vanity area. However, I don't see the vanity stool or vanity chair. And then making our way into the functional part of the bathroom, the working part of the bathroom. On the left, we have a dedicated water closet. I like the deep blue accent walls, and also can appreciate the Hollywood rock and roll memorabilia art on the wall. That is what makes the Hard Rock the Hard Rock. And then on the other side, we have a gargantuan shower, one of the largest showers I have seen on the channel. You just don't have dual shower heads, you have dual showers. Separate hot cold for 2 people or more. And then at the back end of the shower, you have a seat for multiple people, and you also have a little cubby station here with replicated Sweetgrass products. Making our way out of the bathroom, we are gonna get to the best part of the room. This room is really quite dramatic. You have multiple levels. You have the bed level, you have the hot tub level, and then you have the lounge level. Before we get to those 3 areas, you do have a little breakfast nook right here. You have an oblong table with some Beatles artwork above it. And then swinging over to the bed, this mattress is my everything. It is the perfect combination of soft yet supportive. That's really it for the bedroom, except this one little thing. Well, little in size, but huge in stature. You have this aromatherapy product right here that's pumping sweet vanilla throughout this entire room. This entire room smells amazing. Here is your TV, and it's perpendicular from the bed, which is kind of a weird viewing angle. Below it, you have an espresso machine with your Nespresso setup right here. And then you have your mini bar right below it. They're making a huge deal about the mini bar. Free mini bar, all inclusive. There's really not much in here. However, I am not disappointed they gave me 4 of these little mini Presidente lights. These things are little hand bullets. Great for a little pick-me-up, perfect portability. You put them right in your pocket and go. And then here I am on the 2nd level of this room, the jacuzzi level. This jacuzzi is definitely set up for 2 people, maybe even more. And look at the size of these jets on these things. This thing is absolutely humongous. The nice thing about having the TV on the wall is that you are able to view it from the hot tub. I think that's really convenient. And also you can see every inch of this room from both the bed and the hot tub. I think that is really, really cool. You do have a chair right here. If you're sitting in this chair, you're probably doing everything wrong at the Hard Rock. But if you decide to take a seat, it's actually really comfortable. And if you need another vanity or workstation, there is one here tucked in the corner for you. And then last but not least, here is the balcony portion of the room. 2 wicker seats to come out and chill. I am at the top level of this tower. This is floor number 3. I must say the view leaves a lot to be desired. You kind of have like the swampy runoff area right here. You have like an industrial fence. You have a view of the back end of a building. Not the most serene or tropical, but if you do want to come out and get some fresh air and enjoy the Punta Cana vibes, at least you have an opportunity to do that. And as I shut the door, that is it for my room rundown here at the cheapest room available at Punta Cana's most popular hotel, the Hard Rock. This hotel is expensive. I think this room goes anywhere between $350 and $450 a night, which is definitely on the high side for Punta Cana. But if you want to be at the it spot, that is what it's going to cost. I have never really been here before. I was unsure what the scene is like, what the vibe is like, what the energy is like, and that is why I booked the cheapest room. So again, this is the Caribbean Diamond Classic. It's a king. I think this room is also available in like 2 twin beds or 2 queen beds, but of course I'm here alone, so I had to go for the king. Overall, my first impressions, This hotel room definitely has some miles on it. Again, being the most popular hotel, I think that's pretty much par for the course. That is to be expected, but the room is definitely nicer than what I thought it would be. Of course, these are just my first impressions, and that's why I'm staying here for 4 nights. There are, I think, 11 pools, 7 restaurants, there's a casino. This is a mega campus, and I probably won't even be able to do all of it over 4 nights, but I'm definitely gonna do the most and the best I can. So that is where this video ends, but my experience just begins. If you are interested in my overall experience video, what I do for 4 nights, the pools, the restaurants, the drinks, the food, make sure you check it out. I will eventually link that video in the description below.